Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to sign into CapCut using a QR code. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Go to the Me section of the app. Make sure you are signed and using your email and password. You need to be logged into your CapCut account on your phone before you can use the QR code method on your computer. Once you're signed in on your mobile device, on the last of page, look for a button labeled Scan just below the wallet option. Tap on the Scan button. Now go to your PC or laptop and open CapCut on the browser or the desktop app. On the login page, you should see a QR code. Using your mobile phone, point your camera at the QR code on your computer screen. Make sure the QR code is fully visible within the scan box on your phone. Once scanned, your account will automatically sign in on the PC or laptop. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.